everyone, here is a Holmes Blizzard Air Circulator fan that is new for 2024 that I got from Walmart for 16 bucks. So it looks like this is what they have to replace the Honeywell colorful air circulator fans that they had a few years ago. And this is a really interesting replacement. It has a little PSC motor inside with 4 poles, which I will get some closer images of that for you. It has a blade that looks just like the older Honeywells, and even the speed control and everything, it looks a lot like the older Honeywell fans of yesterday. So I'm really excited to try it out and see how the performance is, and eventually I would like to do a comparison video between this and the Honeywell version that I have tested like 3 years ago. So without further ado, let me demonstrate the speeds for you along with the airflow. Well, I'm about 15 feet away from the fan, and the pinwheel is still moving. So I say this is a pretty good choice for being 16 bucks. So as you can see, this fan has a 4-pole permanent split capacitor motor, which is most likely for energy efficiency. I like the shady pole motors and C-frame motors for longevity, but this is a smart choice. Also, a very nice thing about this is the grill opens for easy cleaning, and it was just with a Phillips head screwdriver and 4 screws. Very serviceable, very good design. Fan blade is easily removed with a 10mm nut, or a 10mm nut driver, excuse me. Like that, and it just comes right off. It just bottoms out on the shaft. Very deep pitched blade, almost like a boat propeller. So here's an up close look at the 4-pole motor. This is very similar to the one that is used in the Honeywell fans with the shaded, with the PSC motor. (2,000 RPM, AC 120 volts, 60 hertz, 22 watts. Very serviceable design though. Props to Holmes for designing it this way. The shape and color of this blade reminds me of the middle blade that the Holmes Too Cool 12-inch table fans had in the early 2000s. I've been wanting to get my hands on one of those for a very long time, but I have looked and looked and looked, and I cannot find the version that I had. I've seen the white and tan version, which seems to be more popular. I have seen those all over the place, but I have not seen the brown and tan version with the light tan and blue blades. That is the version that I had. But when I do find one of those, I definitely want to make a video of one. So overall, I think this is a great replacement for the Honeywell colorful fans. I see there's a lot of improvements, and the design is better in my opinion. So I would gladly recommend you all pick one of these up. It's only 16 bucks at Walmart. It's a great value for $16. Considering like some of the other products that comparable to this are like in the $20-$25 range. This is a great product. And I've been using this for about a month or so, and I've been really happy with it. It has great white noise, it's quiet, it doesn't squeak or rattle, it's easy to service, has a great design, and I would highly recommend it. And with that, that concludes my review of the Blizzard Air Circulator fan. And if y'all have any questions, of course, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.